Hi everyone, Ben here from Simply Maldives. We're at Oblu Select and we're going to show you inside this beach family suite with a pool behind me. You can take in some of the views of the lagoon as we walk inside. So here we are in the private garden area, sun loungers, pool there, and a nice sofa here outlooking the beach. So we'll take you inside now, through the living area and straight into the double bedroom. So here we are inside the master bedroom. So this room has, there's two rooms in this villa. So the double bed here, office, TV area, a seating area over there, and we'll take you through now, through the wardrobe and into the lovely bathroom at the back. So here we are in a half outdoor, half indoor bathroom. There's a beautiful shower area here. There's a bathtub behind me there. Also his and hers basins here with white company toiletries, and in the corner there is the toilet. So we'll now take you back through and show you the second bedroom of this suite. So here we are, so two single beds in this second bedroom, perfect for friends or family, lovely views behind you to the lagoon, and here is the bathroom of the second bedroom. So if you'd like to go through there, I'll let you have a look in more detail. And we'll take you now back outside to show you the views. So here we are, lovely lagoon views behind me. Thanks for watching. This is Oblu Select, and if you'd like more information about booking this suite or any other villas, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.